Hey there, gardeners! Let's take a walk through our garden in January. That's right. While most people are huddled up inside watching TV, we're out here growing food. And not just any food. We're talking kale, cabbage, broccoli, beets, radishes, and even lettuce. Stick around because not only am I giving you a tour of what's thriving out here in the cold, but I'm also spilling the beans. Well, not literally. Beans don't love winter. On how you can keep your garden alive and kicking during the colder months. Spoiler alert. It's easier than you think and way more fun than watching your houseplants judge you. Part 1. What we're growing all right. First up, kale, cabbage, and broccoli. These guys are the superheroes of the winter garden. Cold weather, frost, they're like, is that all you've got? Plus, did you know a light frost actually makes them sweeter? It's like they reward you for the cold. We also got beets and radishes. I love root veggies because they're like nature's surprise party. You never know how big they've gotten until you pull them out. And let's not forget lettuce. Yes, people, fresh salad in January. Take that. Overpriced grocery. Stores. Part 2. Winter gardening tips. Tip for 1. Frost blankets. These lightweight covers protect your plants from frost and keep them snug, like tucking your garden in for the night. Bonus, your plants don't have to fight the wind chill while you do. Tip number 2. Cloches. These little mini greenhouses are perfect for keeping your plants warm, and they make your garden look like it belongs on a magazine cover. Fancy plants coming through. Tip number 3. Mulch, mulch, mulch. A thick layer of straw or leaves helps insulate the soil and keeps your plant roots cozy. Plus, it's a great excuse to clean up your yard. 2 birds, 1 garden. Part 3. Why winter gardening rocks. So why bother gardening in winter? Easy. It's fresh food. It saves you money, and it makes you look like a gardening wizard. Seriously, your neighbors will think you have magical powers when they see you harvesting in January. Oh, this lettuce? Yeah, I grew it. No big deal. Plus, nothing beats fresh, homegrown veggies when everything at the store looks like it's been shipped from Mars. Part 4. Quick winter gardening FAQs. All right, let's hit some common winter gardening questions. Question 1. Can I plant anything new in January? Great question. If you're in a mild climate, absolutely. Try spinach, arugula, or peas. But if your ground is frozen solid, maybe just focus on seed planting for now. Baby steps. Question 2. How often should I water? Less often than you think. Cooler temps mean less evaporation. Just check the soil. If it's dry about an inch down, give it a drink. But don't go overboard, or your plants will think they're swimming. And finally, how cold is too cold? Most winter crops can handle a little frost, but if it's dropping below 20 degrees, your plants are going to need some backup. Frost blankets, cloches, or moving containers indoors will save the day. So that's what we've got growing in January. Winter gardening isn't just for pros. Anyone can do it with the right tips and a little courage to face the cold. And trust me, the payoff? Totally worth it. Get our gardening tool for free and find out which veggies, fruits, and herbs you should be growing based on your needs. New AI features to help you get the most out of your garden are coming soon. If you want more gardening tips, tricks, and maybe even some plant-based humor, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. And remember, no matter the season, you can grow it.